how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Cash App account, and after that on the home screen, you will be able to find this option of USD right below your dollar amount. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of Bitcoin. Now type the amount of Bitcoin that you want to transfer, and suppose I want to transfer 0.001, just type that particular amount. After that, click on this option of pay, and this way it will ask you to provide details where you want to send this particular Bitcoin. Select any particular address. If you want to send it to another Cash App wallet, just simply add the cash tag of that particular wallet and send it. In case if you want to send it to any exchange or any other person who has Binance account, then just simply ask for their Bitcoin address, and this way you will be able to send the Bitcoin to that particular person. Suppose that person gives you the Bitcoin address. For that, they will have to open up their spot wallet on Binance, and after that on the deposit section of spot wallet, they will be selecting deposit crypto. Then they will select Bitcoin, and in the network section they will select Bitcoin, and this way they will get this particular address. Now if they will share this particular address with you, you will have to paste it up on your Cash App. This way you would be able to send the Bitcoin from your Cash App to their Binance wallet, and also you can send it to another Cash App wallet, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.